Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2019 BMW M5. This car came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. That looks perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. We do not see any paint chips or scratches at all. Moving on to the driver fender and wheel. The fender looks really good, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver's side doors. Both front and back door look good. I do not see any paint chips or any dents. Now let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now the back of the car looks fine. The trunk is in excellent condition. Also the back bumper, perfect. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks very good. No scratches or dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side doors. Both front and back door look good. Okay, now we're going to have a look at the last fender and wheel. This fender has no scratches or dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside, starting with the driver's seat. The seat looks very good. Let's have a look at the door panel. This door panel looks perfect. Now we're going to move on to the back seat. Excellent. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Okay, the front seat is in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the back seat. Okay, so the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Perfect. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Excellent. So the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.